It's still raining outside, but we're loving the weather. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and today is a very special day because it is our anniversary. So Mike and I will be celebrating our anniversary by going on a glamping with Pepper. Eee. Ready for the road trip, my love? Stop over here in Balamban. We're in Viewpoint. We're gonna have our lunch. Oh, perfect for the weather. And we have arrived at our destination. We're here, Caps. Let's go. Nice, this is a very nice place. Go up. Morning. Let's go up. Okay, good morning. I just woke up. It's a beautiful day. Here in Evo Nature Camp. We're celebrating our 9th year anniversary as a couple, so this is a special day for me and Mike. We've actually been here before already, and I did say in my previous vlog featuring this place, that I will definitely come back here, because I learned then that they have glamping and they offer some sort of activities, and I think it's just perfect for us to, you know, it's just a perfect way for us to celebrate our anniversary. I mean, the place is just so beautiful. Nothing fancy about you know, their glamping setup. It's not too much. It's also not very expensive, so I think this is a perfect way for us to celebrate our anniversary, our special day. Mike and I have been very fond of, you know, the outdoors, camping, climbing mountains, nature. So I think this is just a perfect way for us to celebrate our anniversary. And since this is a special day, we wanted to make it more special, so we tried glamping. This is the first time that we did glamping together. I did glamping before with some of my friends, but to spend it with Mike this time is very special. You know, we're used to like hardcore in the wild type of camping, and you know, having a little luxury while still being with nature and doing this is, you know, something new and something special for us. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Why are you so dirty? Nahulog ka? Sabihin?